How to create a slow motion effect in VN app. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can create a slow motion effect in VN app. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So if you want to create a slow motion effect in VN app, head over to the VN app and select up a video. Once you've selected the video that you want to slow-mo, so what you can do is, in the bottom you'll be finding different options. So go ahead and look at the option called speed from the bottom, and once you're here, go ahead and customize it. So what we're gonna do is, we can see these white circles on our screen. So we're gonna place it below, and once we play the video, let me just play the video for now. You'll be finding the video being slow mode. So let me just go ahead and do it. And there you go. That's how you basically slow-mo a video. You can customize it according to your preference. I'm doing this one now for an example only. This is but you can do according to your preference. So that is how you make a slow-mo on VN Video Editor application. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.